So, yesterday we were learning about particles.
Yeah.
Okay, and remember yesterday when we all did an activity where we pretended we were particles?
Yes.
Okay, who can remember what particle we were when we were all close together, all munched up together? Were we a liquid, a solid, or a gas?
Solid.
A solid. Which one on here do you think is a solid?
That one.
Really? Are the particles really all close
Oh,
together?
that one.
That one. Fantastic. Do you want to put the solid sticker underneath that one?
Okay.
Fabulous. Excellent. Which one did we sort of have a partner and just walked around? Just not too fast, just slowly.
Liquid.
Liquid? Which one do you think on there is a liquid?
The middle one.
The middle one. Fabulous. Put that one on there for me. Excellent.
Sorry, that one.
That's okay. Alrighty, so which one was the one where we ran around the room like crazy people?
Gas.
Gas. Fantastic. Why do we run around like crazy people?
Because all the particles are far apart.
Fantastic. Alright. Man, good work. So today we're going to learn about the particles in liquid. Okay? So remember, our liquid particles are not too far apart but not too close together. Okay? So, we're going to learn a word called density.
Density.
Have you heard that word before?
No.
No. Okay, so what liquid density is, the more particles a liquid contains, so the more of these that they have, the denser it's going to be. The denser means it's going to sink to the bottom. So if it floats, it has less density. If it sinks, it has more density. It's a higher density. Okay, so we've got some things here we're going to use. We've got honey. We've got corn syrup. We have dishwashing liquid, water, which I've coloured, and some oil. Which one do you think is going to sink to the bottom? Which one's going to have the particles closest together?
The honey.
So you can put the honey on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Which one do you think is going to be next?
The dishwashing liquid.
The dishwashing liquid?
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be thickest next? Do you?
Yes.
Dishwashing liquid. I'll just put dishwash. Okay, what one do you think is going to be next? We have corn syrup, water, and oil left.
The syrup.
The syrup? Okay, so corn syrup. Fabulous. What one do you think is going to be next? Do you think water or oil?
I think water because oil floats on water.
Okay, so water first. And it's a very good observation that you see that oil floats on top. Fantastic. When have you seen that?
I saw it when we do the dishes at home.
Okay.
And then the oil floats on top of the water.
Fantastic. Good work. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we're going to put the honey in and see what happens. Well, it's the first one, so let's put the honey in. Okay, is it a bit thick and gooey, do you think?
Yeah, it is. It's good on toast.
It is good on toast. Okay, so it's pretty thick, but it's not solid, is it?
No.
No. Alright. Fabulous. Okay. Let's try the corn syrup next.
We had the dish. Oh, is that just?
Yeah, so we're going to try the corn syrup next. Now, does it look gooey and thick?
Looks more than the honey.
It does, doesn't it? Let's see what's going to happen when we put it in.
Goes on top.
Is it sitting on top of it?
It's starting to go into it.
Mm.
It looks like it's starting to sink. But not quite. It's still, there's a bit of honey on the bottom.
Okay, let's a bit more. Fabulous. Okay. Next, we'll put the dishwashing liquid. Now, you thought it was going to be heavier than the corn syrup. So let's see. You looking?
Yeah.
Now, is it thick like the corn syrup?
It's a bit runnier.
Bit runnier. Do you think the particles are closer together or further
Closer
apart?
together. Further apart, sorry. Yeah, they're not sinking, they can't get through. It's getting higher. It's not going down. So the honey is heavier.
So the honey's still on the bottom.
Yeah. You can see that the dishwashing liquid is on top.
You can. Now, we'll put the water in and see what happens with the water. What do you think's going to happen with the water? Do you think it's going to sink to the bottom or stay on top?
It should stay on top, or it might mix with the detergent.
Let's have a look.
It's mixing. It's going in. It's going into the detergent. It's going into the detergent. It's going into the laundry liquid. But now it's coming up. It's bubbly and it's coming up.
It's coming back up?
And it's coming back up. But it's got bubbles.
Okay. Let's see what happens when we put the oil in.
Okay. This should stay on top.
It's down top.
It's going down underneath. And then it's bubbling up to the top. It's on top.
Oh, it's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
See it all.
Wow, so you can see each level. So what one did we have first?
Honey.
Honey. So should we put the honey down the bottom like
honey.
we had?
Yeah.
What one was next?
And then you had the syrup.
The syrup.
Syrup.
So it was heavier than the dishwashing liquid?
It was, yeah.
I got that wrong.
That's okay. We learn from our mistakes.
It was nearly heavier than the honey.
It was. And which one was after the honey? The corn syrup?
The water.
Was it the water or
the dishwashing, sorry.
The dishwashing liquid?
Yeah.
And then what did we have last?
Well, we had the water and then we had the oil.
The water and then the oil.
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, our predictions were pretty close. We only got one little bit wrong. So the denser the liquid, the more it sinks. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
We want to drink it.